Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your text central, to the left, to the right, wherever you want it positioned on mobile only. This seems to be a big issue with Squarespace where the actual functionality of it doesn't allow this on separate desktop to mobile views, but with a little bit of code and one plugin, well, you don't even need the plugin if you want to just go and find what the block is called. But really, you only need one little piece of code for this, and it is very simple. I've also done a video on how to change text size for mobile only, so I will ensure to leave that linked as well. Let's jump into it, guys. Right, so here we are. This is the editor. This is my own personal website, so things will not look exactly the way they will look on your site, but I've just created a empty section. Call it whatever you want, whatever it is called. Just go ahead, add some text, and we'll just do this as an example. So this is the actual view of my website, the preview. I'll just take the plugin off for now so I can show you. The plugin you will need, it will make it a lot easier. It's called Squarespace ID Finder. You don't need it. You can always just go to inspect and find it that way, but let's try it this way. So Squarespace ID Finder, that is what your text is called. There is text for all of it. It nicely highlights it for you. So if you ever need to find what your block is called, you can always just use this ID Finder. Makes it so helpful. The code you will need is this one here. Ignore this stuff here. That's just my general notes. But all you're going to want to do is paste the code, the ID into here. So let's go ahead. All it takes, click on this, and it will copy it for you. And just highlight this bit. Control V, copy that, jump over to here, press X here. I'll show you the desktop view first. Scroll all the way down and enter this into your CSS. Scroll down, you'll see nothing's changed at all. Click on the mobile view, you'll see it was changed straight away. It may not change instantly, you might need to change your cache as it did for me a moment ago, but it will change straight away. I'll even show you as you remove it, it will go back to the left if you remove that. And it is still to the left on the desktop view. It's very easy to do, guys. I'll quickly show you. I'll just show you how to get to the CSS if you don't know already. Just press the search bar, type CSS, custom CSS. It's as simple as that, guys. Hopefully that clears things up for you in this video. It's a very simple thing to do. If you have any questions, hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm literally happy to answer any questions web design related. If you'd like me to take a project on board for you, my website's in the description as well as my Calendly links, so you guys can go ahead, book a call with me. I can find out a bit about your business, your goals, and how I can help you. Thank you very much for watching, guys.